Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to my channel. So this is training video number 2. So my name is Leticia Wilson, aka Glama, which is what my viewers on my other channel call me, and what my grandkids have called me for 13 years. Yes, I'm a Glama. I'm a grandma. Everyone thinks that my grandkids are my kids. No, they are my grandkids. I am done raising babies. So this is training video number 2, and so what this is going to be is, okay, now you got your starter kit. Now what do I do? What I am going to suggest is that you not open that starter kit yet. You know when you're getting your starter kit, so circle that on the calendar, let your friends and family know about it, and invite them over for a little snack and some beverages or something, and say, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Remember I told you about that business that I just got into? I am my own Paparazzi accessories independent business owner. Well, I am getting my starter kit, and there's going to be X amount of pieces in there depending on which starter kit you chose. And I would love for you guys to come and do the unboxing with me. I want to share it with you guys. So that is tip number 1. The reason that that is a good idea is because I can almost guarantee you that if they have never seen paparazzi jewelry, when they see that jewelry, they are going to be like, are you kidding me? This is only $5? And you're gonna hold up pieces like, what? This is only $5 and it comes with earrings? Or pieces like this, what? That's only $5? That is gorgeous. So you are going to be so amazed by the reactions from everyone. You're gonna react that way too if you've never seen paparazzi jewelry before. You're gonna be like, oh my God, it's like a candy store. It's a grown-up candy store. And that is how they are going to react too. So I can almost guarantee that by the time they walk out, they're gonna be walking out with half of your starter kit. They're gonna purchase half of your starter kit. I can almost guarantee that. And yeah, so that will be a second way for you guys to make money right off the bat. So what was the first way? Training video number 1 that I shared with you. That is how you can make money before your starter kit comes. This is how you can make money when your starter kit comes. So yeah, if you are just now thinking about joining paparazzi, write these tips down. Go back to video number 1, write that down, have it somewhere handy. Write this one down, invite some friends over on the day that I am getting my starter kit and do an unboxing with them. Make it fun. You know, you're gonna see all that jewelry. They're gonna be like, what? You got all of that for X amount of money? Wow. And so you're gonna ask them to help you take off the wrappers and to look at it, and y'all can pass it around. If you open something, look at it, enjoy it, pass it around to the next person, and they're doing the same thing, and you're all passing around the jewelry. And oh my goodness, I'm telling you, half that stuff is gonna walk out with them because they're gonna purchase half of it. So that is tip number 2 to get started. So like I said, if you're just now thinking about joining paparazzi, and if you haven't found a sponsor yet, I would love to be your sponsor. I would love to have you on Team Glamarazzi. I have my website right there, so you can just click on there and you'll see my face, you'll see my story, and then under that you'll see the join my team button. And then under that, when you click on that, you can scroll down, you'll see learn more, learn as much as you can about the company. It's a no-brainer because you basically work from home, you're your own boss, you call your own hours, your own shots, and you earn 45% commission. Oh my word. So there's not a whole lot to think about, but if you're thinking about it and looking for a sponsor, I would love to be your sponsor. I've been doing this for about 2.5 months, and yeah, and I am having the time of my life, and I am enjoying it so much. I'm enjoying shopping on my own website. I'm enjoying doing live parties. I'm just enjoying it, period. My whole family is. And if you're already a paparazzi consultant and you're waiting for your starter kit, then this is what you need to do. As soon as you know the date that your starter kit is showing up, you need to invite some friends over, have them over, pizza party, or like I said, cookies and coffee, or a glass of wine, or whatever suits your fancy. Alrighty guys, so I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you have any ideas of what you would like my next training video to be about, I am open for suggestions. Once again, leave them down in the comments. And if you haven't already subscribed, I don't understand why. All you have to do is click on that red button that says subscribe, and then next to that, hit the little bell icon so that you can be notified each and every time that I upload a new video. All right? And like I said, if you want to join Team Glamarazzi, just click on the website right there. I'll also have a link, a clickable link down below. So yes, I look forward to you guys being on my team, and I look forward to making more training videos for you guys. All right, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. All right, adios. Mwah. Besitos.